In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the volume on the Waze app. Whether you're navigating the bustling streets of your city or taking a quiet drive through the countryside, ensuring your navigation settings are tailored to your preferences is essential for a seamless driving experience. Let's begin by opening up the Waze app on your smartphone. This could be on an iPhone or an Android device. You should be familiar with the Waze app icon by now. It's that friendly looking car with eyes. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen for a three-line icon, commonly known as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping the hamburger menu, you'll be presented with a list of options. Look for the settings option. It's usually towards the bottom of this list and might have a little gear icon next to it, indicating that it will lead you to where all the customizations are possible. Now, tap on settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find voice and sound. Tapping on this will take you to a section specifically dedicated to adjusting how Waze communicates with you. You'll see a few key settings here that allow you to personalize your audio guidance from the app. First, under navigation guidance, you have the option to choose whether you want voice guidance on, off, or limited to alerts only. This flexibility lets you decide just how much guidance you require while driving. Next, you're going to see App Volume. This is where you can control the voice volume of Waze directly. You'll notice a slider that you can drag left to reduce or right to increase the volume. Adjust this until the navigation prompts are at a comfortable listening level for you. Finally, there's the option to play sound to phone speaker. If you're finding that the audio is too quiet when played over your car's Bluetooth or audio system, enabling this option might be helpful. It ensures that the sound is directed to the phone speaker itself, allowing for clearer instructions. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide ensuring your journey with Waze is as smooth and distraction-free as possible. Adjusting these settings can make a big difference, particularly on long trips or in challenging driving conditions, helping you stay focused and informed. So don't hesitate to tweak your settings until you find the perfect balance for your listening needs. Remember, being comfortable and in control of your navigation tools contributes significantly to a safer and more enjoyable drive. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.